everyone. A few weeks ago, Boxy Charm had its add-on sale, and I kind of overindulged a little bit. Um, as see, I did really indulge. Um, I mean, come on, it was the add-on sale. So I have no idea. A lot of the boxes I got like a few months past stuff, so I don't know what's in those boxes. And then I bought some other stuff that I absolutely love. So I figured I'd do an unboxing and check out all my goodies that I got because I'm excited because some of the stuff I don't know what it is. So it's a very large box. Pack number one. Cannot wait to open it. Pack number two. Pack number three. Yet another one. I got my favorite mascara, Big Ego by Tarte. I also had my very absolute favorite moisturizer. Normally it's $36 and they were only $6 a piece. So of course I bought 6 of them because I mean, come on. So, and then we got some more goodies in here. I forgot what I got. Like the only thing I remember getting was the Touch and Soul Pretty Fitter Glassy Skin Balm, and I just adore this. It is my favorite. It's a very light scent, and it just feels so, I'm sorry, I'm putting it on because my skin is feeling dry. Oh, it just feels so good. And as a super sensitive skin person, I break out from almost everything. And when I discovered this, it was like my skin was super hydrated and sheeny. And see, I'm sure you can even see already. It's super hydrating. A little bit goes a long way. And it just feels, oh, like my skin had a drink. Love it. I love this. I absolutely adore it. And when it was on sale for $6, I mean, come on. How could I resist? So I am so excited. Like 5 of them are going in the fridge. The other one's going in my bedroom. So I'm like, I'm stocked up, man. I'm stocked up. So excited. All right, but other than that, I couldn't remember what I had. My dog is here with me, and she requires I said, well, I couldn't remember what else I had purchased. Oh, oh, that is funny. I totally forgot I bought this. It was like only like $5, and I was like, "You're actually super cute. I want you." Yes, this is going up and behind me somewhere. It's just stupid and cute. And it was like $5, and I was like, "Sure, why not?" So this is what happens with the add-on sale, I swear. All right, let's see what came in these boxes. So here's one of the big ones. And oh, wow. Okay, so we have a facial radiance pads, First Aid Beauty, help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So they're alcohol free. Let's see. I'm not going to open it because I may not keep it for myself. Yeah, it's like a cleansing pad to brighten and exfoliate and tone. Nice. And then Pearl Blossom, another spongel. You know I like those. There is a nurturing hand cream with patchouli, vanilla, and shea butter. And a MAC Cream Sheen lipstick. Nice. Woohoo. Oh, that's what this was. This was a MAC pack. A nice red. Sweet Sakura. Sweet. These are going to make good prizes for my graduating classes. So that was pack number 1. Oh, it also came with the Next Gen blender set. So this is also a good prize. I actually like beauty blenders for myself when I use foundation. I don't like them in my pro kit because sanitation isn't as guaranteed, despite what people say about washing them. So I tend to just skip beauty blenders in my pro kit. But they're great for personal use, and so that'll make a nice gift. Let's see, is this an exact copy? It is not an exact copy. Ooh, that's what's nice. So I'm like, oh, so they're just going to be the same thing. Gold foil masks infused with cannabis sativa seed oil. It's a gold foil mask. Sweet. May be able to use it, may not be able to use it, but again, another cool, fun prize. Oh, cool. Another creme Next Gen blender set. Another really good prize. That is gonna go. And then Biro New York tomato syrup. Ooh. It improves the look of skin texture for soft, soothe, and clarified complexion. Ooh. Nice. I love when I get skincare stuff. And then ice roller for your overworked sensitive skin. It's a stainless steel roller. So I guess you put it in the freezer, and this is to help reduce puffiness under your eye. So instead of using chemicals, believe me, I've used plenty of frozen spoons in the past. So this is basically, instead of a frozen spoon, you would use this. So that's pretty cool. Nice. Fun, fun, fun. And let's see what else we got. Anything? Nope. Last but not least is the Fill Up Orange Touch and Soul. It looks like an eyeshadow palette. I don't have any Touch and Soul eyeshadow palettes, so this is interesting. So that's the Fill Up Orange. Ooh, that is a nice shadow palette. That is really fun. I kind of really like this orange glitter. You know me and my oranges. That is really nice. I'm like, you shouldn't keep it. You should give it away as a prize. But I'm like, I kind of want it. I want to keep it myself. All right. We've got 4 more packs of surprising fun stuff. Gotta throw that for the dog. Okay. We have in this box here illuminating mask sheet. We have 2 I Am Lotus mask sheets. Another Next Gen sponge. That'll make good pricing. A Symbiosis of London hyaluronic acid and pullulan. A tightening and resplendent eye mask. Nice. And then we have a Spongel Salted Rose Mani Pedi Treatment Set. Ooh. What have we got here? It's all-in-one beauty treatment. So we have 2 little sponges. And I'm not sure how it's a Mani Pedi. I mean, it's sponges. How is it a Mani Pedi set? Mani Pedi treatment set. That is what it says. Cleanses, exfoliates, softens, and hydrates. So it's for your, specifically sponges for your feet. You can use the same sponge on your whole body. You don't need just one for your feet. Still, I'll make a nice gift or prize or something. All right, and we have, ooh, a Marc Jacobs Iconic multi-finish eyeshadow palette. Ooh, exciting. Let's see what we've got here. Oh my god, that packaging though. Oh, that is very pretty. Nice purple spectrum. I don't have any Marc Jacobs shadows, so may have to try this out and review it. Otherwise, that is just really pretty. I love that packaging. It's so pretty, man. Cool. Okay. So far, I'm super excited. It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. Another box. Okay, we have activated charcoal lemon juice. We have 3 of those masks. Nice. They are deep detox, pure control, raw juice masks. Nice. Ooh, we have another Marc Jacobs. It's enamored. It's a dazzling lip gloss liqueur. It's called Tempt Me. Tempt me. Ignore me. Ooh, that is beautiful. Ooh, fancy. Super fancy. Ooh, ooh, Cocoa Cabana cream. I love this. I love these creams. These are fantastic. They work beautiful on your hands. They are fantastic. They have the Bum Bum cream and then the Cocoa Cabana cream, and I love those. I'm so glad to get that. Ooh, another Symbiosis for eye cream. And then we have another little, oh, we have a Marc Jacobs Omega Shell. It's a gel powder eyeshadow. Gel powder eyeshadow? Does that seem slightly odd to you? A gel shadow eye powder. Gel powder shadow. I don't know how that's love the packaging. So pretty. That's a nice brown. It's a red tone. Next one. What have we here? Ooh, Facial Radiance. More of the Facial Radiance pads. So now we have 2 of these. I'm surprised I don't have more duplicates, you know? Ooh, I have a Morphe lip gloss. It's called Shimmy. Oh, that's clever. I like the little square bottles. That's pretty. It's got a little bit of an iridescent quality to it, so it's going to have a nice sheen when you wear it. That's a nice color. It's a nice peachy nude. And I have $1 billion beauty sponge. Do you really think it was $1 billion? It's a charcoal infused and vegan $1 billion beauty sponge. Boom, boom, boom. I'm not going to touch my skin because, you know, I'm probably going to give it to someone. That's cute. Charcoal infused. I wonder if it is actually any better just because there's charcoal in the powder. I don't know. All right, and then I have a Beauty Vault Circadian Lip Liner Trio. Oh, those are nice colors. Look at those. Those are really good. Oh, I like that. Sweet. Sweet. I feel like Christmas. Ooh. I'm so happy. Morphe. You know I like Morphe. A Morphe highlighter palette. I might be upgrading my highlighter palette. Ooh, that is gorgeous. So pretty. All right, so that box is done. All right, we are on our last box. Last of the add-on boxes. All right, we have the 3rd facial radiance pads. So I spoke too soon about duplicates. And another of these, so we have 3. You know, I may end up making like I don't know. Oh, Pore Purifying Cleanser, Salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark by Dr. Brandt. So nice. It's a pore purifying cleanser. I wonder if I know needs pore purifying cleanser. That would be fantastic. Ooh, we have Farsali. It's a quench moisture replenishing serum. Ooh. I may have to try that on myself. It's a little skin box here. And then the last thing in this package is another of the Bior tomato serums. Oh my gosh, I made out like a freaking bandit. If you look at this pile of stuff I have here, there's so much stuff. We're going to have some happy students and happy staff. And my little sister's going to be happy because I'll probably be sending her stuff too. And then she'll feel spoiled because she lives in Alaska, very, very far away. All right, guys, until next time, I will talk to you later. Enjoy, and let me know if you spoiled yourself during the Boxy Charm add-ons. Until next time, bye!